Welcome to our channel. Managing storage on YouTube, especially for downloaded videos and cache, is simple. Here's how to free up space and optimize your YouTube storage. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in to your YouTube account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the account menu with various options. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. This takes you to the YouTube app's configuration page. Step 4. Tap on Background and Downloads or Downloads depending on your app version. This section manages offline content and storage. Step 5. View your downloaded videos and their storage usage. You'll see how much space each downloaded video occupies on your device. Step 6. To remove individual downloads, swipe left on a video and tap Delete, or tap the three-dot menu next to each video and select Delete from Downloads. Step 7. To clear all downloaded videos at once, look for Delete All Downloads or Clear Downloaded Videos option at the bottom of the downloads list. Step 8. Go back to Settings and select Storage or Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that YouTube creates during normal use. Step 9. Tap Clear Cache to remove these temporary files. Note that this won't delete your account data or preferences, only cached content. Step 10. To prevent future storage issues, manage your download quality settings. In Settings, select Downloads and choose lower video quality for smaller file sizes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.